Because you probably already are vegan at heart, you just need to align your actions with your beliefs. So making a proper thing out of it and seeing that it's not all that difficult, really, to consider animals in your day-to-day life, it would be a brilliant start.
Don't just do Veganuary. That's not a good idea. Do Veganuary and use it to learn how to be vegan and then be vegan forever.
Hi, this is Dan, Grumpy Vegan Grandad. Try Veganuary this year. Not only will you save animals' lives, your health will improve within weeks. Scientific fact. Go vegan.
You should try Veganuary if you want to increase the quality of your life and save another. It's an invitation to extend the love you already have for animals and makes for a beautiful and very efficient New Year's resolution.
Hi beautiful beings, it's Rebecca, the Vegan Pixie Warrior. I think you should do Veganuary this year so you can align your actions with your morals.
You should totally do Veganuary because animals prefer to be alive rather than dead.
Yo, what's up? It's Chris. I've been vegan now for 2 years, and I think you should sign up for Veganuary this January and transition to a vegan diet because it's the best thing you can do for the animals, for the environment, and for your health. Peace out.
Because in January alone, you can save up to 35,000 gallons of water, up to 1,000 square foot of forest, over 600 pounds of CO2, and 31 lives.
So we're approaching a new year, and let's wish the animals a happy new year as well, by not exploiting them, not torturing them, and not killing them against their will. Please choose vegan for this year and for the rest of your life, and just live in alignment with your morals.
So you know when you see a story in the news about a cow or a pig or another animal making some death-defying escape from captivity, and you find yourself rooting for them to survive, for them to have a happy ever after. The best thing about being a vegan is that you're no longer the bad guy in this story. It's no longer you that the animals are trying to escape from.
The time is now for the future of your children.
And for the future of your grandchildren.
Go vegan.
Why do you want to try Veganuary? Because there's over 1,200 recipes to choose from. So many different options. Consider it. Try Veganuary.
Do you want to take self-righteous vegans down a notch? Do Veganuary to show us how unimpressive not exploiting animals really is.
So just the fact that you've clicked on this video, that you've read the title and decided to watch it, tells me that you were interested in doing this anyway. And if not now, then when? So, you know, just do it. Stop thinking about it. Just do it. Sign up.